Let's go in here and see what's going on in the office on this cloudy spring day. A lot of clouds, rain coming, but it's springtime in Maryland. Let's take a look and see what's happening today in the office. All right, Caitlin went out to lunch, or grabbed lunch for everybody. Take a look what's going on. And we'll head out to a job site. Kind of quiet in there right at the moment. Girls are going out to pick up some lunch. One ran out to take care of an errand. So we're gonna head on out to a job site over here in Odenton, and we'll see you guys there. We're at Odenton, Maryland here. Take a look at this trenching going on here, this drainage job. What's going on? What's going on, B? Jersey, what you doing? Have you seen Rudy, Jersey? Have you seen Rudy? Rudy in the house? What's up, duty? How are you? That's it? New deck in yet?
No.
Not yet.
Like Gambrills? Well done.
Angel. A lot of work going on here. A lot of work going on. Oh yeah. There's a new deck. I asked him if he said the new deck was done. He said no. Well, he was correct. It wasn't done yet.
Not done, but
You're working?
pretty much. Halfway, most of the way.
Working. So they had existing drainage.
Yeah, it was all 6-inch corrugated, some 4-inch.
Oh yeah, it was some 6-inch.
That's half the reason why.
Wasn't working right. Wasn't pitched.
There were existing regular boxes in, plus the 6-inch corrugated.
Okay.
There's not enough dirt to backfill if we use the low profiles.
Gotcha. So we're gonna have a box here.
Yep.
Box there.
3, 4, 5, 6, I believe. Oh no, this is the deck. There's a 6th one right there.
And there's one underneath the deck.
Yeah.
That'll capture that water.
Yep.
Well, that was smart. You gonna eat your pizza? You're gonna get cold. Break time, pizza time, come on.
1 o'clock.
Man, it's 1 o'clock. Time to eat. So is that what you did last Saturday? Last Saturday you put that one box underneath the deck?
Yeah, you see that
some
in there?
Uh-uh.
Yeah. This one right here.
Is that what you were just talking about?
Yeah.
I missed that then. I was too busy looking at something else, I guess.
This one right here.
Whoa.
This one over here.
Oh, you put that in last week.
Yeah.
Okay.
Box and then the sump pump that's coming out from underneath.
Okay. I saw the box on there, but I thought the box you had running this way.
No, we already came.
That made sense. Okay. I was looking at it wrong. But I saw that underneath there. Oh, okay. So you hooked up to the sump pump too.
Yep.
So you got all that done last week.
Yeah.
And then after you left, then she had the carpenter here?
No, this was already here.
It's already there. I'm working underneath there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, that's why I said they called it the last possible minute before
Gotcha.
they'd have
Okay.
to call the deck builders back out to undo it.
Gotcha. Okay. I made it harder, but at least you could stand up in between, but it still make it hard. Okay. I see your signs are in the back house.
I leave it Saturday and
She put them inside? Okay.
I had to get black tops. I had to get black tops in the boxes. That's all they had.
I don't know. Some of the guys we already asked for green top 70%.
Just a color.
Yeah, that's the color.
Well, the easy thing is if you had to change them, it's easy to change.
Yeah.
You know? All right. Come on. You got to head up to help out Felix.
Yeah.
Yep. All righty. Root, see you tonight.
Yeah.
All right, bud. Have a good lunch.
Yeah, I don't know what time we already finished because we already got a lot of we can do it now.
And tomorrow we'll go move that furniture, and then we'll go up to Laura's house. She wants to disconnect those lights up top. We just take the bulbs out for right now so she can look for a week.
Well, there's no taking the bulbs out of the 395.
Well, just to disconnect them on those. Yeah, you're right. She said either way. That's all I was getting at.
You don't want lights on top?
She said she'd rather have it without the down lights and take a look. She said you can do it now, or we can do it when we do the sprinkler repairs. So I just told her we'd come up there tomorrow, you know. So I'm gonna pick up that truck between 3 and 4 today to have it for you.
Okay.
He says he don't think I could drive a 26-foot truck. I told him I could drive it in reverse as long as it had a reverse camera on it. Come up the street in reverse.
We can drive it, you think?
I don't think you can. I think you're gonna come back at the end of the day and see a big accident.
Rudy knows better.
I drive it. You see what size is a big bus here parking last time in the shop?
Where are we gonna park there? Your car is parked.
I park it up front. I park it up front.
Up front?
Why not?
It's gonna fit.
Between the fence where Gary used to park, right there.
Yeah, they fit.
Okay.
You don't think I can drive, Rudy?
I'll drive
I
it.
can drive a tractor trailer. I think I can drive a 26-foot moving truck. Come on. All right, we're heading up the road. We'll see you. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.